Lesson 22. The Earth. Internal structure of the Earth. The Earth is the living place of all living organisms. It is the only planet in the solar system which consists of life. Life is possible on the Earth due to the presence of water in it, suitable gases including oxygen for life, and moderate temperature in which living organisms can survive. The internal structure of the Earth is made by following three layers. 1. Crust. 2. Mantle. 3. Core. 1. Crust. Crust is the outermost hard layer of the Earth. It is made by various types of rocks, soil, minerals, and water. Its thickness is about 5 to 50 kilometers from the Earth's surface. 2. Mantle. Mantle is the second layer of the Earth that lies between the crust and the outer core. It is made by the rocky shell of silicate. 3. Core. Core is the innermost layer of the Earth. It is divided into two parts, outer core and inner core. A. Outer core. The outer core of the Earth lies between the inner core and mantle. Its thickness is about 2,100 kilometers and the temperature ranges from 2,500 degrees Celsius to 3,000 degrees Celsius. B. Inner core. Inner core is the innermost layer of the Earth. The thickness of the inner core is about 1,300 kilometers and its temperature is about 3,000 degrees Celsius to 5,000 degrees Celsius. The Earth in the solar system. The Earth is considered as the only living planet of the solar system. It has two types of motion, revolution and rotation. The Earth completes its one revolution around the Sun in 365 1/4 days in its orbit. Change in season. The revolution, rotation, and tilted axis of the Earth are the main causes of change in season on the Earth. The Earth completes one revolution around the Sun in 365 1/4 days or 1 year in its orbit. The revolution causes the change in seasons. Types of season. There are 4 seasons in a year. They are summer, autumn, winter, spring. 1. Summer. The summer season is the hottest season of the year. It lasts from 21st June to 23rd September, that is in the month of Jesthar, Asar, and Shrawan. 2. Autumn. In autumn season, the temperature is neither too hot nor too cold. It lasts from 23rd September to 22nd December, that is in the month of Bhadra, Asaj, and Kartik. 3. Winter. Winter season is the coldest season of the year. It lasts from 22nd December to 21st March, that is in the month of Mangsa, Paush, and Ma. 4. Spring. Spring is the most beautiful season of the year. It comes after winter and before summer. It lasts from 21st March to 21st June, that is in the month of Falgun, Chaitra, and Baisakh. Solar system. The Sun with other heavenly bodies such as 8 planets, satellites, asteroids, comets, meteors, dust particles scattered between the planets etc. which revolve around the Sun form a solar system. The Sun. The Sun is a star around which the Earth and other planets revolve. It is the largest body in our solar system with a diameter of about 82,400 kilometers. The volume of the Sun is about 12,99,370 times the volume of the Earth. The planets. The planets are dark, solid or gaseous bodies that revolve round the Sun in closed elliptical paths called orbits. The brief explanation of planets is given below. Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. In daytime, it is very hot and at night it is very cold. Venus. Venus is the brightest and closest planet to Earth. Its surface is covered by a thick layer of cloud. Earth. Earth is the planet on which we live. It has a suitable environment with plenty of water and oxygen and a suitable temperature. Mars. Mars looked red in the sky due to the presence of iron oxide on its surface and is commonly known as the red planet. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. It is about 319 times bigger than the Earth. Its outer surface is covered with clouds. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is quite similar to Jupiter and is surrounded by rings. Uranus. Uranus is very far from the Sun and from the Earth. It is a cold planet. Its atmosphere consists of hydrogen and helium. Neptune. Neptune lies very far away from the Sun. It is the farthest planet from the Sun and coldest planet. Satellites. The heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets are called satellites. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. All the planets of solar system have satellites except the Mercury and Venus. The Moon. The Moon is the closest heavenly body from the Earth. It revolves around the Earth. Asteroids. Asteroids are the minor heavenly bodies revolving around the Sun and between the orbit of inner and outer planets. Comet. Comets are heavenly bodies of the solar system made up of gases, dust and ice. They revolve around the Sun in very long elliptical orbits. Meteors and meteorites. Some small pieces of solid matter made of stones and metals like iron and nickel are freely orbiting in the space. They are called as meteors.